Let's delve into the process of speed ramping in DaVinci Resolve 18. It's a straightforward procedure, so let's go through it step by step. To initiate speed ramping in DaVinci Resolve 18, begin by placing your footage on the timeline in the Edit page. Right-click on the clip and select Retime Controls. Now, position the playhead where you want the speed change to commence. Click on the 100% button, then choose Add Speed Point. Move the playhead to the point where you'd like the speed ramp effect to conclude, and once again select Add Speed Point. This action splits your video into 3 sections. Navigate to the 100% drop-down button for the middle segment and select Change Speed. Adjust it to your preference. For instance, let's go with 400%. For more control over the speed ramp's smoothness, right-click on your file and choose Retime Curve. Click on the left keyframe. Select the rounded icon, shaping the lines into curves with handles. Repeat this process on the other side and refine the curves by adjusting the handles. Upon playback, observe your footage smoothly transitioning from normal speed to a speed ramp at 400%, then seamlessly returning to the original speed. That concludes our guide to achieving smooth speed ramping in DaVinci Resolve 18.